A very big congratulations to you all. You have hit 5% target in all the shares recommended last week, and BEL has hit 10% target. That too all in 5 trading sessions. Congrats to you again for the profits. Our long-term calls are also doing great. PEL has given 37% profits in just 2 months. Other stocks are yet to begin their journey. In my personal forex account, I have doubled my investment in this currency pair, Euro to Japanese yen, with 522 pips. Wait, have you missed the bus? Do you want more of similar ideas? Watch this video till the end for new stock ideas. What can you expect from this video? Stock market myth buster lesson, new long-term stock call and new short-term stock calls. Welcome to Tallur Investments. This is a channel started only for you, giving free long and short-term ideas. Do this. Go to the comment section below and mention the names of the stocks you are holding. I will tell you my long-term opinion on that shares. Do subscribe if you like the video and also like and share it with your friends. Let me reiterate that this channel is only for educational purposes, and any profits or losses you make based on the recommendations in this channel, the author or Tallur Investments will not be responsible. People always ask me to recommend shares below 100 rupees. Wait, just think. If a company is really good, is there a reason for it to stay below 100? If a stock is above 1000, does it not mean that the company has good valuation? And that is why the people are ready to buy at higher prices also. Normally, stocks below 100 are the companies which are yet to identify and start growing. The time taken to unleash themselves can be anything. Let me explain you with examples. Which is the costliest share in India? You are right, MRF. Current price is 88,600. 18 years back, in 2003, the prices were around 1000 rupees. In 18 years, it has returned around 88 times. How did such a move happen? Great boom in real estate, demand for construction materials, movement of men and materials towards industrial areas, increase of household income leading to purchase of vehicles in each house, and many other factors added huge money into MRF's account. This is my new long-term pick. This time I have chosen a mid-cap share, Multibase India Limited. Current market price 196. It has higher lows and in the verge of breakout. There is increase in revenue in quarter and quarter. Promoters and public hold around 99% shares, and it is a zero debt company. These are my new short-term picks. Bharat Forge current price 617.7. Godrej Property 1497.65. HDFC 2543.9, JSW Steel 406.4, LIC Housing Finance 436.25. Please do subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. See you.